In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color with a checkbox in Google Sheets. If you already have checkboxes in your sheet, this will let a cell change background color the moment a box is checked, giving you a quick visual cue for things like completed tasks or approved items. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets so you can see the cells that contain your checkboxes. If you have multiple checkboxes, decide whether you want the rule to apply to just one cell or to a range. Selecting the right cell or range at the start will save you time later. Next, click to highlight the cell that holds your checkbox. You can drag to select an entire column or a block of cells if you want the same behavior everywhere. With your selection active, go to the top menu and click Format. From that menu, choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right where we'll define the rule that controls the color change. In the Conditional Format Rules panel, look for the section where you choose how the rule is evaluated. Set the rule to is not empty. This works well with checkboxes because a checked box evaluates to a true value, which Google Sheets treats as a non-empty result for the purpose of this rule. If you see a field to enter a value or formula, type equal true. That simply tells Sheets to format the cell when the checkbox is checked, since a checked box equals true. Now choose the formatting style. Click the Fill Color option and pick the background color you want to appear when the condition is met. You can keep other formatting, like text color or bold, unchanged, or tweak them if you want a stronger visual signal. Preview the effect on the currently selected cells in the sheet to make sure it looks right. When you're satisfied, click Done to save the rule. Test it by checking and unchecking one of the boxes. When checked, the cell should change to your chosen color. When unchecked, it should revert. If you want to broaden the rule later, you can adjust the Apply to Range field in the same panel to cover more cells. That's it. You've set up a clean, reliable way to highlight the cells with a checkbox in Google Sheets, making your data easier to scan at a glance.